Let's take a look at your notifications. If you'll notice here in navigation next to notifications, you've got a badge with a number in it. That's the number of notifications you've received since the last time you took this link. Let's go ahead and select notifications. So you'll notice up here under recent, these have a slight different color to them. And then you can scroll down, you've got older notifications listed here under earlier. So here's just a couple of sample notifications. You can see I've been invited to the April meeting. It's got the details here, and I'm just going to go ahead and take action on that and accept. You'll notice that that changed. Now it says I've accepted the notification. I have an opportunity to change my response if I'd like. I can also take this link to the meeting. I can manage a particular notification. This pull down here from these three dots would be different depending on the nature of your notification. I can flag it for follow-up later. I can also dismiss, which essentially deletes it. Here's another notification where I've been asked to award a trophy to somebody that's fulfilled a commitment. I'll just go ahead and award that trophy. And again, the pull down here can be a little bit different. I'm given the opportunity to remove it, flag it, dismiss it. And so here's my older notifications, and they just scroll off the page. So there's a quick overview of how to manage notifications.